For Module 3, we're going to take a closer look at action research in the process. The infographic that you're looking at was created by our Leading Up design team to give you an additional resource as you go through the essential components of action research. This will be a key resource as you move forward with your group during the process. But to the left, you'll see a summary of some of the things we've already talked about. What is action research and the types of action research? Remember, for the purpose of this project, you will be in a collaborative action research project. Starting at the top of the infographic, you're going to go to the left where it says identify a problem. You'll see the guiding questions that we talked about in Module 2. Talk about clarifying theories. What assumptions exist and why do things work the way they do? Think of statements like if we, then perhaps to guide your thinking. Then as you develop a question, remember to use higher order thinking. The SMART model listed below will help you guide those questions in order to think critically about your topic. The next steps are to implement a plan. Who is going to do what? What's your timeline going to look like? Next, once you've implemented your plan, you're going to come back and interpret the data. And then act on the evidence, designing a plan of action. Reflect on the results. Is your theory confirmed? Are there any surprises? How effective was your plan? What are your new questions? And does data provide evidence? Remember, the central goal is to lead from where you are. Keeping this in mind, we're going to go through a simulation to get you thinking about observation. In order to clarify the steps in a brief demonstration, we'll use a video for you to observe and identify key steps in the action research process. The guiding question in this demonstration is, how does chewing gum affect the way others view you? We'll watch a video which represents the observational step, and as you watch the video, collect data on what you've observed.
Welcome. Which one seems like he has more friends? Which one has more imaginary friends? Which one gets invited to more parties? Which one gets invited to more bridge tournaments? Which one is the bad cop? Which of these bosses would give you a raise? Which one would fire you when you ask for a raise? Which one has a better sex life? Which one never puts money into the employee gift pool? Which one really enjoys giving you a ticket? Thank you.
Look over the data that you collected while watching the video. How do you interpret this information? What were the major themes that you noticed in your data? You'll have an opportunity to discuss this with your colleagues on the discussion board. We'll post the questions there for you to respond to.